Hi, this is Hatsiri Martinez, and this is my scripture journal assignment. And first, I'm going to show how it is running. Here is the index, the home page, and this is my record of scripture notes, and here is you can see that I have here like 3 notes that I see in the code, but in a moment I'm going to show that part. I can create a new note. Another one, the same, just for demonstration. So here is the one that I create now. So I can like filter for the date, like realized date, or by reference. And also I can filter like if I want to filter in just the by the book, I can like it shows just the book, or if I want to use a keyword inside the notes, and sorry. Here is okay. So also I can edit a new one, maybe like this, and save it. Or if I want to see the details, or if I want to delete, and I can see delete scripture. You sure you want to delete this note? And yeah, I want to delete it, and it's no more here. So okay, now here is my code, and the seed data is here, like the 3 nodes that you can see here is the seed data. So here is the responsive I'm sorry, yeah, here is the responsive, and you can see here the menu like displaying here, and this is how it looks. And so in the CSS validation, I have no problems with this, but Here, I think it's part of the bootstrap, um, like as in the assignment here, it says that maybe we'll flag problems with bootstrap. So I think that's the that part. But yeah, um, here is, and yeah, I think it's all. I mean, filtering and yeah. So here is the full footer with my name, and yeah. So thank you, and I'll be waiting for your I'll be waiting for your feedback and your help with this. So thank you so much, and see you next week.